So let's see about Wakefit Shea table today, the unpacking installation. Coming to the parts of a table, just for general knowledge, there's the desk, the two legs, left and right, and a fourth part known as the stretcher, which will be connecting underside the table between the legs for support of the desk. So what do we get in this table? Is one desk, a desk stretcher, two legs, a government table or government, instruction manual, Allen key, 20 screws. There are three mini fix screws and three cabinet connectors and two wooden dowel pins. A disclaimer before proceeding to the assembly of this table. You will be requiring a star screwdriver and a hammer for the assembly, which is not provided. I had installed this table by on myself based on the instructions given in the assembly manual, as I didn't receive any response from the Wakefit team for installation, as the promised time for installation was within 72 hours of delivery. Use one more person for faster installation. Total duration of setup can be approximately between 1 to 1.5 hours. So this let's come on. Let's unwrap this package. I have received it as two packages, which has a good packing with cardboard and cushions. So I'll be unpacking the whole thing and coming. Meanwhile, while unwrapping, let's come to the dimensions. The table length is around 47 inches, breadth is around 23 inches, height from the floor is around 29 inches, and it is 25 millimeters thickness. Which is this table is made up of engineered wood with metal. It has metal legs and comes in a Colombian walnut color. So after wrapping, keep the desk on the floor upside down and for the installation. So this table is not waterproof and it can be used for heavy things and heavy objects. It's not automatically height adjusted. So as I said, let's lay down this desk on the cardboard sheet and take the one leg of the table given and align it to the screws or slots in the on the each side and fix screws in a zigzag pattern using the Allen key, slowly tightening each screw and doing it on the other side as well. Basically, this table is a DIY project. Do it yourself. I don't think we will be requiring any person from the company for installation. It's basics, little tools and instruments if you have, all can be done. You will be requiring extra one screwdriver, star shaped screwdriver, and a hammer, as I said. The use of hammer I'll be showing you. It will be coming up in the next video. After fixing one side, let's fix the other side too, the similar manner. In between, and this table does not have any storage compartment or anything. It's just a plain old desk with two legs with support. Pretty decent quality. I have fast forward the video. The speed of the video is forward to just make it up into the time. So I will fix the leg on the other side the same way. I have fixed it. And now in between the two legs there are five holes or slots. The second and the fourth hole is for the wooden dowel pins. Any from second and the fourth from either any side, and the other three is for the three mini fix screws which are provided. Using a first fix using a star screwdriver. Tighten the mini fix screws as shown here, and slight tap on the each thing to fix it properly. Take the stretcher and with pre-installed cabinet screws and align the cabinet connectors accordingly and carefully fix the insert into the 5 slots given in the stretcher as well, and then fix the stretcher to the table leg with two screws on either side using the Allen key. The screws are the same as the one we fixed the table legs also. Then finally turn all the cabinet connector screws in the as shown in the image using a star screwdriver. It will be mostly a 90-degree turn towards right or left accordingly to the arrow mark shown in there. Before fixing, just check for any loose contact or loose this thing. I'm fixing the other side of the stretcher to the table with the screws, and I'm just tightening all the screws once to check everything before the end of the installation. So all the screws are tightened well. So now let's check on the other side too. Before installing, just check all the parts for any damage or scratches or breakage, anything, because this table comes with a 10 days replacement and with 1 year of warranty. So coming to few questions like this is this table foldable? No, it's not a foldable table, and it is not having any waterproof this thing. To make it into a waterproof, I would suggest you to use a plastic sheet or a plastic sheet. You get many self-adhesive plastic sheets available, like for 4 feet, and slowly you can use it. Finally, I have done the table after fixing upside down, checking for the stability and aligning it properly. After that, take the grommet cable over it, and with right pressure you can push it in, and finally the table is ready to use. Thanks for watching. I'll be sharing the links of this products in the description box.